Hello, and thank you very much for asking about this beautiful GLE 4.3 AMG. I just wanted to start off here while it's in reverse, and you can see the 180-degree view of the vehicle and its surroundings. Isn't this the coolest thing? It's an absolutely fabulous vehicle. It's a great SUV. It's got the full panoramic sunroof. Look at the controls. It's a very nice truck. Let me shut this off and go outside for a second. It's got everything you can think of, the power seats and headrests. We've got blind spot protection. You've got side steps. It's an excellent, awesome condition. It's a very nice truck. Can't wait to show it to you. It's here, it's available, and it's something that you really can save a lot of money on just by coming out here. Of course, you got the power tailgate also. Which I just opened with the remote. You've got a cargo cover, you've got the folding seats, you've got a WeatherTech cargo mat. You've also got a spare tire. It's here, it's available. Feel free to call me. It's 954-406-1433. Fritzi at Delray, Buick GMC Pre-Owned. Thank you very much.